In the ever-evolving realm of synthetic biology, scientists are venturing into uncharted territories, pushing the boundaries of life as we know it. One such frontier is the creation of mirror life, organisms composed not of the molecules that build our biology, but of their mirror images. But what exactly is mirror life, and why are some of the world's leading minds urging caution? At the heart of this question lies a property of molecules known as chirality. Just as your left hand is a mirror image of your right, many biological molecules also exist in left-handed and right-handed forms, and in nature, life made a curious decision: it's standardized. Nearly all organisms use left-handed amino acids and right-handed sugars. This selective orientation is known as homochirality. It's the rule-book by which life on Earth abides, and it's universally consistent across every living thing we've ever discovered. But what if we broke that rule? Imagine constructing an organism with right-handed amino acids and left-handed sugars, a molecular reversal of the natural order. The result? A form of life fundamentally alien to us. Mirror life would not just be a curiosity, it would be a radically new biology, one that might be immune to our enzymes, our pathogens, even our immune systems. In the lab, some researchers have already begun synthesizing small mirror proteins and nucleic acids. The progress is slow, meticulous, but deliberate. As techniques advance, the possibility of constructing entire mirror organisms inches closer to reality. And with that potential comes a wave of awe and fear. Because with mirror life, we're not just playing with new forms of matter, we're toying with the very architecture of biology. If released into the environment, mirror organisms might not interact with natural ecosystems at all. Or worse, they might interact in ways we can't predict. They could persist longer, evade natural decay, or interfere with molecular processes in unexpected ways. In a nightmare scenario, mirror pathogens, organisms built from right-handed biology, could emerge against which our immune defenses would be useless. This is why many scientists are sounding the alarm, not to halt innovation, but to ensure it doesn't outpace wisdom. Creating mirror life isn't inherently wrong. In fact, it might lead to breakthroughs in drug design, industrial enzymes, or even biocontainment systems that are completely isolated from natural ecosystems. But the risks must be acknowledged, studied, and controlled. There's another dimension to this: the possibility of life beyond Earth. If alien life exists, it may not be based on the same molecular orientation as ours. By studying mirror life, we may one day understand how to recognize and communicate with life that is truly foreign. We stand on the edge of something extraordinary. Mirror life could redefine biology, but it also forces us to confront deep questions. What is life? Who decides how it should be constructed? And are we ready to shape it in forms we've never before imagined? As science peers into the mirror, the reflection it finds may not be its own, but something new, something alien, and something powerful. What do you think? Should humanity create mirror life? Or are we tampering with a code we barely understand? Let us know what you believe, because the frontier of life is no longer just out there, it's in our hands.